Traders, we're looking at gold on a monthly time frame. Clearly bullish, the bigger picture. However, these last 2 months we've seen bearish activity. It's been under pressure, and this candle here showing wicks on either side fairly evenly. So let's have a look at this on the weekly time frame. On the weekly, okay, it's trading down into this key level here. We can see these pin bar candles, these pins under here. So it's kind of holding up at the moment. So you want to be a little bit careful. So this is traded into a key level here. If we go back, I mean, we could pull a line through these highs. You can see how the market has reacted around this level. You know, I mean, it's trading down into it and it's holding up here. So, you know, where to from here is the question. Let's have a look at this on the daily. All right, on the daily, this is traded back into a weekly resistance, as you can see through here. Now you want to be a little bit careful. I'm thinking we could see a little bit more upside. Let's just have a look at this. See this green candle here? If I pick up the candle body, this is distribution candle. Still got a little bit of room. It could trade back up into this level here before we see it roll over. So that's the only thing that I'm concerned about. So I think the way to approach this would be waiting for price action to invite you in. I'm looking at this range that I've drawn through here. Let's just call it a daily bearish order block with this midline through here. I'd like to see it trade back up into this level. We'll go down to a 4H. Yeah, see how we've got this move here and this pin bar under here kind of pushing it up. So we can see there's definitely upward pressure. I'm thinking, you know, this could possibly have a bit more room to trade further into these levels here. Now, with that in mind, we do have this nested 4-hour bearish order block. We just mark that up 4H. I'm not entirely convinced. Well, I mean, look, if this starts to roll over here, that would take my interest. Let's just go down to a 30-minute, and we'll have a look at this price action. This trend here on the 15-minute, I guess what I'd be waiting for would be to see if we, you know, trade into these resistance levels here, and I'm going to be looking for the rotation on this time frame, on the lower time frame. So it has to give me that. So let's just call this a bit of a thing, and then we trade south. Okay, so I'd like to see this price action, this rotation, and then an entry point, and I don't know where that's going to occur. It could be, well, it could be anywhere through this 4-hour and daily bearish order block, something like that. So my stop loss would go above. If this starts to rotate, I would probably go stop loss above this high here. So we'll just call that a stop loss. Yeah, as I said, there's no trade until this actually shifts gears. And now when we see a break of market structure, i.e., well, down here, that would be a thing. So you're going to get a shift in the trend, and then we get a break of structure. So up in here, this is more of a shift in the trend. It's not a confirmed trend reversal, if you know what I'm getting at. So call that a change of character. Okay, if that happens, now what you want to see is above here, we need to see some kind of range. Okay, so backward and forward price movement, and then we see it roll over. Let's just have a look and see if we can pick up something like that. Okay, see this range through here? That's the kind of thing I would like to see. A bit of sideways price action, and then we start to see it trend south. Okay, guys, that's my take on gold at the moment. Wait for the setup, and possibly we short it, but I think we get more upside. Okay, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to comment below. And with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.